All right, so you want to make some very cool options analytics apps like this implied volatility surface, and that's what CV Forge does, right? So which is free. So you can make this app for free. It's options data included. So how does it work, and how to get started? Well, you go to convexvalue.com, right here, convexvalue.com, and there's this big green button that says download CV Forge, build options app with your AI agent. You click here, and this is the CV Forge page, and you click download, and you can download for Mac, Windows, Linux, and you go ahead and you download it and you install it, however you install any app on Windows or Mac or whatever. So actually, now that I'm thinking about this, you do want to, when you install it, so I downloaded it, it created this disk image, and then you want to drag this to the applications. That's, I assume everyone knows about this, but that's just, anyway. So that's that. And okay, so then you open CV Forge, and let me close this. You open CV Forge, and it's going to look like this without any of these apps. So if you already have Claude or you already have Codex, you're good to go. If you don't have Claude or if you don't have Codex, then you need either Claude or Codex. We're going to add more coding agents soon, but for now you do need those two. So how do you get those two? Click on here on shell, right? And this is going to open, this is like a debug shell. So here on the right, you can click on rescan, and it's going to search if you have Claude or Codex. And then you can click on check for Claude, check for Codex. I do have all of those, so that's all in order. But if you don't, what you're going to do is if you want OpenAI's Codex, then you want to search for the Codex CLI, right? Which is different from the Codex app. So the Codex desktop app is a different thing. This is the Codex CLI, the coding agent. So you go to the OpenAI's developer, and here it has the CLI set up for Mac, Windows, and you copy this command, this one right here. If you're on Windows, you copy this one here, and you go here, and you go here, and you press enter. And this is gonna download the, we already have it downloaded, but this is gonna download the Codex CLI. I stopped that because we already have it downloaded. Then you're going to enter the command. Once you download it, you're going to enter right here the command Codex, right? And when you do that, it's going to ask you to log in. And then you're going to open, it's going to provide a link. You click on that link, and then your OpenAI subscription, it's a link to your OpenAI subscription. You log in, and you do that. Then when you finish doing that, you will be able to, when you click on new app, you can do create with Codex, and there it is. And the Codex is going to be right there. The same for Claude Code. You want Claude Code, not the Claude app. So here, Claude Code for the coding agent, and here you have the native install, and same thing, right? So for Mac, Windows, for Mac Linux, you have these. For Windows, you have these. So if you're on Windows, you also have this one. So what you do is you copy, you go to the shell, and you paste that and press enter. And then you enter command, it's going to download, then you enter command Claude, and it's going to ask you to log in. It'll provide a link, it gives you instructions, and you log in with your Claude subscription. And that's that. And then once you have either of the two, for now, we're going to very soon add some more, you are good to go. And the if you have any issues, you can click here, rescan all. You can click here, rescan or rescan to make sure that these are properly set up. And when they are, you do check both of these, show which one they are. And then you can go here, test 2, this one with Claude Code, and there you go, and you can start prompting. So that's that. That's the prerequisites to really get started with CV Forge. Reach out with any questions. I'd be happy to help, and I'd be happy to walk you through any of these steps. If you've never installed stuff like a coding agent or CLI stuff on your computer, I'll be happy to walk you through that.